Hey, so thank you for watching this video. It's about the bulk account creation and bulk adding users to the location based on the data in the Google Sheets that we convert into a JSON. Then we process it for Go High Level for us to be able to create sub accounts and attach users to that. Right now, so here, these are the accounts. So now we are going to create those accounts. I'm going to run. And then the variables that I'm passing in is create location, yes, users, yes, and then some other variables to be able to query the database to get the data in raw JSON and then process JSON that we will see the results. So when I hit run, of course, I'm doing this manually, but this can be done programmatically, meaning based upon some sort of action that you want to take and go high level, or if you want for this process to happen on a time basis through cron jobs. So here it is it should be creating the sub accounts and attaching the users. And I'll wait for a few moments until this is processed. Yes. And let's come here. I'm going to refresh the browser, and usually we will see the results either right now or we might have to refresh a few times. And then I'm going to filter in by the number, and here they are. So these are the sub accounts that were created, and then this person was part of 2 accounts. And now let's go through the process as to what happened. Here, there's the raw JSON that we converted from the Google spreadsheet. Gives us the 5 accounts. Here is the process information that can be used for GoHighLevel. And then we do the same thing with the users. Again, here are the users and the raw JSON format, and then after it's processed with all the permissions, each person, and then this individual is going to be part of 2 accounts that we saw on the other screen. And so once that happens, this is the function that gives us that automates the V2 in GoHighLevel, the authorization to get the access and the refresh token. That takes care of that automatically. And then this function I did not run because of the parameters that we took is this allows us to delete the users in the sub accounts that we created. Because when you delete a sub account, it does not delete the user. So this is a handy function that we will see in a moment in action, just simply by changing in what we pass in. And again, the function that automates the OAuth 2 process with GoHighLevel. Here's the locations that were created. And then we're checking if the users are part of this new sub account that was created. And then we format the information, like their number has to be in a certain way. We take care of that here, generate the password. And then on the first run, we create the user, but if that user does not exist, a new user, that user will be created and added to the database, and of course added to the sub account and GoHighLevel. And if the user has uh, exists, if the email exists, GoHighLevel does not allow you to create multiple contacts with the same email. What we do here is update the search for the user, get their user ID, and then add them, add a new location to their profile. So they will be part of two locations. All right. So this is what this function does. And then again, of course, if we come in, here's an example of the user who's part of two locations. And if I click pencil right here, you can see part of these two sub accounts that were just created. And of course, the users, we can set they can be user type, agency, their role as users or admins, programmatically adjust, update, or on creation, set these permissions. Okay. So now let's delete the sub accounts that we created, and I'm going to run it. And again, all of these actions that I'm taking click can be automated. And there's many different ways to automate each of these functions that I'm showing you manually. So this is the delete the sub accounts. And what this does is queries the database that we keep track of all the accounts that were created and deleted. Again, our refresh token, access token is all taken care of by this function. And in the rest of this function, looks and sees if those sub accounts exist and deletes. We'll click on here, click on the request. There it is. Deleted location with this ID. Okay. I'm gonna update this by let's just put 200. So now we can go back and you'll see that when I refresh, Tasty Tavern will be gone from that Bob Johnson user. Bob Johnson, the user, will now be deleted. Yep. So these are the users that were created, and the locations have been deleted, but they have not been deleted. So now coming back to the same function that created those accounts and added the users, here I'm going to pass in yes, delete users. And what that is going to do is going to come into this if condition right here. And we will delete them by email here. And then this is within the if statement also checks for a similar emails, but with the plus sign. Okay. And let's run this. And come here. So this is the deletion for that user. Okay. Yep. Queue deleting user with email too. And this and that. Okay. And of course, we had the stop, so that's why it stopped. Not if and let's check to see if these users have been deleted. Yep, as you can see, they have been deleted, those users. Rerun them again, and of course, there will be nothing to delete because they have been deleted already. Yeah, and this, so then it goes through the rest of the process. If we turn this stop and debug off, that it will continue to create new locations, new users, and if I learn, refresh, there we go. So new accounts created and the users. And right here, I'm going to rerun this function to delete the location. In fact, I can put this delete function in here so that when we're deleting the users, we first delete the locations and then the users right after. Okay. And then I might need to change because it's fixed June 1st. Just rerun that again. We're good. We have deleted the sub accounts, and because these users are still here, but the sub accounts are not there. And now duplicate this, and before running this is so yes, delete users, and so rerun. Okay, and see if those users have been deleted. Yep, as you can see, they have been deleted. Now, if I come in here and just change this to, if I just put no, then this if condition should not run because I am saying that it needs to equal these exact words. We could make it less strict, but in this case, it's better. So we're not going to delete any users or because they're all deleted. Now we're going to recreate the sub accounts with the users attached to those sub accounts. And again, the sub accounts could be 40, 500, X amount, and each location can have users assigned, and you can give any particular user their own permissions. You can make them admins in no account, agency owner, all programmatically and done automatically. Okay, this is telling us that the function completed. And then you'll notice the sub accounts have been created and the users as well. And then, of course, we can log into each of these sub accounts that were created. Okay, so this is both sub account creations and users and GoHighLevel automated using APIs. And then we can also integrate webhooks so that we can automate this process from inside GoHighLevel through the webhooks. And we can listen for those webhooks events and initiate these functions. Hey, thanks.